Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to discuss about Windows Update KB5018410 not installing or downloading on Windows 10. So I'm gonna show you a couple of solutions which you can apply to get this issue resolved. As a first solution, go to the search toolbar and type troubleshoot. Troubleshoot settings will appear, click on it. Here click on additional troubleshooters and then click on Windows Update and then click on run the troubleshooter. So the troubleshooter is running now and will fix any problem with Windows Update. That might solve the problem. If that didn't work for you, let's now apply solution number 2. For that you need to open this link, which I'm gonna put it in the video description for you to copy and paste it. It is Windows 10 Update Assistant, so go ahead and click on Update Now. And the exe file, you will see it here. Click on the arrow and then click on open. If there is any update to be performed, you will see it here and you will go ahead and update it. For me, thank you for updating to the latest version of Windows 10, so I am up to date. But for you, if there is any update to be done, continue with the steps until it is updated. If that as well didn't work for you, let's now apply solution number 3. For that we need to reset Windows Update components. To do that, I have put in the video description couple of commands. Copy them and I will show you what you need to do with that. Minimize all these pages and then go to your desktop, right click, go to new and then open text document. Open it. Right click, copy and paste these commands here and then click on file, click on save as, and here type the file name, anything you want, but you should put it .bat. Let's say errors commands.bat, bat, and then click on save on the desktop. You will see the bat file appeared here. Click on it. Once you click on it, all these commands will run automatically in command prompt, and once it is done, it will close by itself. So now it is closed. Restart your PC and check KB5018410 can now be downloaded. If that as well didn't work for you, as a last solution which you can apply, we need to use media creation tool to download this update. For that we need to open the same link of Windows Update Assistant. So go to the previous page and then scroll down. You will see here create Windows 10 installation media creation tool. Click on download now, and here exe file has been downloaded now, so click on the arrow and then click on open, and then you will get to this page. If you accept the license terms, click on accept. Here, what do you want to do? Upgrade this PC now. Click on next. This might take some time to be completed, so you need to be a little bit patient. You will reach to this page checking for updates. So if there is any update pending, it will list them here. Click on accept if you accept the agreement. Now getting the updates. Install Windows 10 Pro, keep personal files and apps. So make sure these are selected so your personal files are untouched, and then click on install. Once this is 100% completed, this error should be resolved. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Like my video if it helped you and subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.